Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today's shout out goes to this comment. Thank you for your love and support and for giving me an idea to start a new series, which is #Kushu Eats, where I'm going to take you guys along while I explore awesome street foods of Hyderabad. So today we are at heart of Hyderabad, which is Madhapur Hitech City Lane, where you see amazing food trucks and mouth-watering flavors from all over India. I'm going to show you guys 5 of my favorite dishes from this street. So let's begin. This whole food street starts from Karachi Bakery to Ratnadeep. You see many IT employees and students come down to satisfy their taste buds. This street starts from 6 in the evening, but half of the street starts from 9 PM because of all that permissions. Let's begin the hunt for my favorites in this street. Number 1. Momos. If you stay near Madhapur and haven't tasted this amazing Tibetan momos, then why are you even here? My love for momos is eternal, and I have tried different sorts of momos, dim sums from everywhere in Hyderabad, and this got all my love. You get these momos in veg, non-veg, steamed and fried, and my personal favorite is steamed chicken momos, and you get 6 pieces for 70 rupees, and it is all worth it. Next, let's head down to this cute little place where this auntie is making pongan aloo. So with 2 varieties of chutneys, one is peanut chutney and mint chutney, makes you fall in love with them. It basically has same batter as dosa and stuffed with onions, coriander and sometimes corn. You get these 6 pongan aloo for just ₹30, and I'm pretty sure this will make your day. Our next stop is at Yum Slob, where you get fried rice, noodles, rolls and pav bhaji, in which I have tried pav bhaji and that was the best decision I took. Butter-filled pav bhaji will surely melt your heart and makes you come here again and again. Butter pav bhaji was for just ₹100. Next stop is at 99 Dosas, one of the most crowded places other than Momo's stall. We have tried sweet corn dosa, which is for ₹60, and I've heard from people that masala idli is also quite famous here, so you should definitely try this place when you are in Madhapur. Second last stop is at Sweet Lime Soda stall. You basically will see a lot of stalls that sell lime soda here, but you can pick anyone. Such a refreshing drink after so much of yummy food. Definitely try it. You'll get 1 glass for 15 rupees. Last but definitely not the least, sweet pan. After so much of tummy filling, such yum pan just for 30 rupees, it definitely is worth it. He makes it right in front of you, and you can add extra things like extra sweet or any sort of that things, and all that without any extra charge. With this, we came to an end, guys. I'm super dead with so much of yum food in my tongue. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, lots of love. Bye!